Chapter 7 Shopping Audio CD 2 Track 30 Picture Dictionary At a Clothing Store 1. Mannequin
2. Display window
3. Accessories
4. Fitting rooms, dressing rooms
5. Cash register
6. Rack
7. Clothes steamer
8. Security tag
9. Price tag
10. Measuring tape
Additional vocabulary Materials 1. Cotton
2. Wool
3. Silk
4. Linen
5. Cashmere
6. Fur
7. Polyester
8. Nylon
Washing symbols and instructions 1. Machine wash
2. Hand wash
3. Bleach when needed
4. Tumble dry
5. Do not wring
6. Iron